everybody. We are out here. Good morning, Jennifer. We are out here on Kentucky Lake this morning trying out a different spot. We are at the mouth of a secondary channel cutting off to southwest of us, so we're going to see if we can get some fish to bite. Hopefully we're on them today. See, I looked at the camera that time.
Okay.
It's recording.
I had to delete that other one. Couldn't pair, check settings for this device and try again.
You're probably pairing with that old man's iPhone back there.
Now that'd be hilarious.
If he's gonna bite it.
I told you, that's where I got a bite. You may have lost your bait then. That was a good tag. Yeah, you may have him on there. I think he's on there, honey.
Hey guys, thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Appreciate it.
No. Oh, what the heck is that? Oh, it looks like no, not even. It's on my fish. Oh, yeah. I'm trying.
Hallelujah, we caught a fish.
God, you caught my fish today. Hey, he's a good size. Ooh, you gonna get a bath. Oh my lord! Oh, that's not fair.
A long time.
And you said you didn't think he was.
He wasn't pulling at all.
Dang it! I want that one. I want him. You were supposed to come to me. I was the one saying I was going to.
He was barely hooked too.
I was worried he was going to get off before I could get that net. Oh, he's a pretty cat.
Ow! Sucker bit me. That's a nice channel right there, boys and girls.
Yeah, watch out you say just boys. Good lord.
I'd say woohoo we caught a blue. I don't have a woohoo we caught a channel saying.
You got the weight thingy?
The what?
Weigh him?
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at his whiskers. Oh, I got a picture of his whiskers.
He's got some big old whiskers on him.
He does. I want a good picture of the whiskers. Hey, wait. You had a good shot. I've never seen one with big. Oh, hi, baby. Stop doing that. I gotta feed him.
We got sideways of the waves here.
What the heck?
Let me hit the trolling motor to straighten us out.
Sorry. Here. You had a little fun tangling you up.
I was trying to get it one-handed. I just couldn't get it. Alright, so let me put this net here. Get a tail. Alright.
You're not gonna die. We're not killing you, little fella. I'm hung on the weight.
Kilograms. 5.64 pounds.
No way.
Yep.
He looks like he weighs a lot more than
Weight on him. 5.64 pounds. He's the biggest one we caught in a little while.
I like his whiskers.
Alright, he's going back. Let me get a good picture here.
Alright, let me see if I can hold it steady for you.
Alright, here he goes.
Bye, little fella. He did not look like he just weighed 5 pounds. I'm sorry. I think that's a mistake, sir. I think he weighed more than 5 pounds.
He looked bigger than that, didn't
Yeah, he did. Quite a bit bigger.
he?
Shut up.
First time I've been able to say that in a while.
You want to turn this thing off or you want to leave it on?
Yeah, let me turn it
I was
off.
going to say, because you're going to run out of fight.
Oh, yeah, Jennifer's got one. Don't let him rub you on the boat.
What is this thing doing? It's pulling out again. What is it that tightens this?
That right there.
This?
One lets it go free spool, another one locks.
He's all the way back to the It's not one to pull in. It's not him. It must be wrapped around the end. No? It's acting
That's right.
funky. It's stiff. It doesn't look real. Lord. It's not him doing that to me.
Here, pull him in behind if you need to.
Can you,
I'll look at this since we get
want to be
situated here.
I think of that alligator show.
He's reeling in awful easy there, baby.
That's what I'm saying.
By hand.
I know. You can't be very big. See if you can reel that in.
You got a bluegill on there, don't you?
Can you see him?
Well, I haven't hold on to the camera, baby.
Lord. Oh, I don't know how long he took us. Yeah, you're going to have to reel. He's on. Oh, hi, baby. He's not that tiny. He's not that biggie. Hold on, boy. I know. I see you. I thought I...
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Hey, I don't want to wear it. He's got some scars.
Huh?
Be gentle with him. I got to give him a treat. Where's the chicken at? He gets a treat. I'll give him a... Gotta give him a treat, you know. Don't throw him out. I give him a treat. He went after his chicken. How? Yep. Chicken too. Left back in.
Yep. There he is, boys. That's a big old blue. Not really, but got some pretty colors too.
I don't care. He caught himself too.
All right, here you
Hang
go.
on.
We're good. Close this guy.
Okay. Well, you can give him a treat. I told Wicked. He's just gonna have to wait.
Here you go.
You can't promise you fish something not falling through. Don't do it. I mean it seriously. Kevin T. Quit. Hey buddy, want you a bite? Yeah, you think you're oh.
Alright, buddy.
Yeah, you gotta get closer. Get him on camera eating his food.
Alright. There he is. He's on camera eating his chicken that she fed him.
You gotta feed him. They gotta
That's
grow.
better than Colonel Sanders, isn't it?
He's got scarring on him.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut him some sheep in my ear. Might want to turn that sucker off. I was like, let's see where he's at.
Is that the one with no weight?
Shit, yeah. Can you get my other pole? Grab my pole.
Oh, no. Oh, got this one too.
I saw him going under it. All right, hold that down. Just put that down and put it all the way down. Round. Yeah, he is getting.
A little bit of chaos there. I'll come get him off the pole for you.
Well, they're tied up. Hang on.
All right, fellas, I didn't get that on camera, but I'm down here at the dam fishing for some skipjack. I got me a largemouth bass. He's not a big one, but he's a bass, and I see he's been caught before from the holes on his mouth. Ah. Well, I hope you get away, dude. Hey, thanks for taking a second to watch my video. I really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button before you leave.